To you I have raised my eyes, you who are enthroned in the heavens. Behold, as the eyes of servants look to the hand of their master, as the eyes of a female servant to the hand of her mistress, so our eyes look to the Lord our God, until He is gracious to us. Be gracious to us, Lord, be gracious to us, for we have had much more than enough of contempt. Our soul has had much more than enough of the scoffing of those who are at ease, and with the contempt of the